going to the garden center, and just hoping that they will have everything I want to buy in terms of plants and vegetables and stuff. And also I'm just wondering how the heck am I going to fit all that compost in here. Fingers crossed I'll be able to bring back as much as possible. Otherwise I'll have to wait for them to deliver it, and hopefully it's gonna be today because I really want to get on with my planting. So see you in a bit. What was I thinking that I'm gonna get 14 packs of soil in this car? No way. And all these plants. I'm really happy I got lots of veggies, and I ordered the soil to be delivered. So I'm gonna be waiting for the guys to arrive in the afternoon. And yeah, looking forward to it. Yeah. As you can see, I have plenty more to plant, but I had to stop. First of all, because I'm exhausted, and also because I don't have any more wire to cover the area around the other bed, and that is a hazard because I have cats. So I'll have to wait and go buy some wire mesh.
So let me show you the rest of my garden. First of all, these overalls are the same as the corduroy ones, just a bit more fitted. I think they look nicer, but maybe not very appropriate for gardening. So let me walk you through what I have going on here.